guys, More here, and we're going to be talking about slime.
More to video.
And we got modeling clay and Canadian sand. Today we're going to be filling in if it's a good slime or a bad slime. The first slime I am going to be talking about is slime. It's red, and let's open it. It feels like it's water.
It looks so shiny. Ooh.
I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Next slime is Squishy Doo Poo.
That is so nasty.
Let's open it. It looks like it's going to be doo-doo or something. Huh. Oh, wow.
What's that smell?
Pretty good. Breaks apart really easily. I guess I'll give it a thumbs down. I'm giving it a thumbs down because it breaks apart easily. Now, time for the next slime. The next slime is, I made this slime. It's really shiny, it got sparkly and stuff, and glitter. Oh no, I missed. How to stick to this? Oh. I feel like a glob of unicorn throw up.
Very funny.
So weird. Pretty, but it's just it either has to be a thumbs down or thumbs up. This is a hard choice. We have to leave it to the side to pick it. Leave a comment what you think this slime should be. A thumbs up, thumbs down. Now, our next slime is this. Oh, I got this from the science fair. A friend made it. Now, this is what I'm talking about, a slime. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Now, our next slime is the good slime, the farting slime.
Did she say farting slime?
Was that you? I think I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Now the next slime is this. It might not look too much, but you could suck it up. And also it's like this, but different colors.
Yeah, I might be too old.
So I'm going to give it a thumbs down. Which is sign. Another fire sign. I won't be playing it because it will get all sticky, on my hands and it wouldn't fart. But at least I got 2 fart slimes. To the things that is not slime. Kinetic sand. Might be old, but I still got it.
It's like it's sand when you pick it up and you drop it. It's like the same move, like this. Doesn't really feel like real sand, but seems like it does.
So this kinetic sand you can build stuff with. Let's try to make a volcano from this kinetic sand. And just a little bit of farm, arts and crafts. What do you think about my volcano? Leave a comment. Now let me just destroy it.
Don't cry.
Well, rest in peace, kinetic sand. Well, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye.